So, ayun na nga ang chika. For this video, isi-share ko sa inyo ang isa pang variation ng adobo recipe. So, this is my chicken pork adobo recipe. So, here's how I cook my adobo. First things first, in a pan, ilagay natin yung ating baboy. And then, let's add 1 cup ng toyo, half a cup ng suka, half a cup ng tubig. Next, we'll add yung bawang, dahon ng laurel, at pamintang buo. So at this point, isasalang na natin to at pakukulaan for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, tsaka pa lang natin ilalagay yung ating chicken, and since chicken breast ito, we'll add another 10 minutes cooking time. After a total of 30 minutes, i-separate yung sauce and then maglagay ng konting oil sa pan para ma-brown natin yung ating meat. At this point, make sure to finalize yung timpla ng sauce, and normally, I would add sugar to balance the taste bago natin ibuhos pabalik sa ating meat. So, presenting my version ng classic chicken pork adobo. And by the way, I added boiled egg para mas masarap siya. And that's it. I hope nagustuhan nyo ang niluto ko for today. Thank you for watching. See you on my next recipe. Kain po!